In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a case in Salesforce. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a case that's currently on your list and reassign it to the right person on your team, while optionally notifying them by email. Let's start from the very beginning. First, log into your Salesforce account using your usual login method. Once you're on the main Salesforce home screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a navigation panel there. In that panel, look for the option labeled Service. Go ahead and click on Service. When you click into the service area, Salesforce will display your case list. This is typically a table or list of all the cases you have access to, including details like the case number, subject, status, and who currently owns the case. Take a moment to locate the specific case you want to assign to someone else. If you have a long list, you might want to use any filters or search tools available at the top of the list to find it more quickly. Once you've found the right case in the list, move your eyes to the far right side of that case's row. You should see a small downward pointing arrow or a similar action menu icon. Click on that arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to the case. From this menu, choose the option called Change Owner. As soon as you click Change Owner, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, look for the field labeled Select New Owner. This is where you'll specify the person you want to assign the case to. Click into that field and start typing the name of the user you want to assign the case to. Salesforce will search as you type and show matching users. When you see the correct user in the results, click on their name to select them. In some setups, you might see an additional pop-up or selector to confirm the user. If that happens, just choose the correct person from there. Below the owner field, you'll see an option to send notification email. If you want Salesforce to automatically send an email letting the new owner know that this case has been assigned to them, make sure this box is checked. This can be very helpful to keep team members informed and avoid missed cases. Once you've selected the new owner and decided whether to send the notification email, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Submit. Salesforce will save your changes, update the owner of the case, and if selected, send the notification email. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a case to a new owner in Salesforce.